The Room on the Roof. The Room on the Roof is Ruskin Bone's debut novel, written when he was just 17 years old. The novel is a coming-of-age story that explores themes of identity, freedom, friendship, and belonging. The protagonist, Rusty, is a 16-year-old Anglo-Indian boy who struggles to find his place in post-independence India. Raised under strict European guardianship, he rebels against societal norms and embarks on a journey of self-discovery. Rusty's confinement and rebellion. Rusty, a lonely and introverted Anglo-Indian boy, lives in Dehradun under the strict supervision of his guardian, Mr. Harrison. Rusty's parents are absent, and he feels trapped in his guardian's rigid, European-style discipline, which isolates him from the local Indian culture. Craving adventure and connection, Rusty secretly befriends local Indian boys Somi, Ranbir, Kishan, and Suri. They introduce him to the vibrant bazaars, festivals, and local customs. Through them, he experiences a world that is lively and warm, starkly contrasting his cold and disciplined home life. One day, Rusty, overwhelmed by his guardian's oppressive rules, decides to break free. He participates in the Holi festival, experiencing true joy and excitement for the first time. However, when Mr. Harrison learns of this, he beats Rusty. This act of violence pushes Rusty over the edge, and he runs away from home, determined to live life on his own terms. A new life with Indian friends. After running away, Rusty finds shelter with Somi, a kind and supportive friend. Somi offers him a place to stay and helps him adjust to his new life. Through Somi, Rusty meets Mr. Kapoor, a jovial and friendly man who offers Rusty a job as a tutor for his son, Kishan. Rusty moves into a room on the roof at the Kapoor's house. This small, humble room becomes a symbol of freedom and self-discovery. Away from his guardian's suffocating control, Rusty begins to explore Indian culture, food, and daily life. He bonds with Kishan and experiences genuine companionship. Rusty also meets Meena Kapoor, Mr. Kapoor's beautiful wife, and develops a silent, unspoken love for her. She is kind to him, and her warmth fills the emotional void in his heart. However, she remains loyal to her husband, and Rusty understands that their relationship can never go beyond admiration. Meanwhile, Rusty faces financial struggles and the realities of independence. He also starts understanding Indian life beyond its romanticism, realizing that struggles, betrayals, and disappointments exist everywhere. The tragic turn of events. Just as Rusty begins to settle into his new life, tragedy strikes. Meena Kapoor dies in a car accident. Her sudden death shatters Rusty, leaving him heartbroken and lost. Mr. Kapoor, devastated by the loss, descends into alcoholism, and the household falls into disarray. Kishan, now neglected by his father, finds solace in Rusty's company. However, Rusty himself is emotionally adrift. He realizes that his search for home and belonging is far from over. A new journey begins. With Meena gone and the Kapoor's home in turmoil, Rusty sees no future for himself in Dehradun. He decides to leave the town and embark on a new journey. Before leaving, Rusty gives Kishan a sense of direction, urging him to be strong and take care of himself. The two share an emotional farewell, solidifying their brotherly bond. Rusty takes the money he has saved and sets off toward a new destination, perhaps to seek another adventure, a new home, or simply to continue his journey of self-discovery. Themes in The Room on the Roof. In The Room on the Roof by Ruskin Bond, one of the most prominent themes is identity and self-discovery. Rusty, the protagonist, grapples with his Anglo-Indian identity, feeling alienated from both the British and Indian communities. His journey, filled with emotional turmoil and growth, mirrors the universal search for independence, meaning, and a sense of belonging. He is torn between two worlds, neither fully his own. This conflict shapes his internal struggle, driving him to seek out a life beyond the confines of his past, and in doing so, he embarks on a path of self-discovery. Another key theme in the novel is freedom versus confinement. Mr. Harrison, Rusty's guardian, stands as a symbol of colonial control and strict discipline. His oppressive nature stifles Rusty's growth, representing the suffocating influence of colonial rule. In contrast, Rusty's friends, Somi, Ranbir, Kishan, and Suri, embody the freedom, vitality, and cultural richness that Rusty yearns for. Their friendships become a sanctuary, offering Rusty the freedom to be himself. The room on the roof, where Rusty finds solace and independence, serves as a metaphor for this newfound freedom. It's a space where he can breathe, away from the rigid rules of colonial authority. As Rusty forms deep, genuine connections with his friends, the theme of friendship and belonging comes to life. The bond he shares with Somi, Ranbir, Kishan, and Suri provides him with a sense of companionship and community he never had before. In these friendships, Rusty finds the warmth and acceptance he craved, offering a stark contrast to the cold, regimented world of colonialism. Through their relationships, Rusty begins to understand the value of true belonging, of finding people who see him for who he is. Yet, Rusty's journey is not without its heartaches. The theme of love and loss subtly underpins his emotional experiences. Rusty's quiet love for Meena Kapoor reveals the intensity of unattainable desires. His longing for her is full of unspoken affection, a love that remains unfulfilled. And when Meena passes away, her death becomes a poignant reminder of the impermanence of happiness, a theme that reflects the fleeting nature of all things, including human connections and desires. Finally, the theme of cultural transition is woven into Rusty's transformation. His evolution from an obedient, isolated boy to an independent young man mirrors India's own transition from British colonial rule to self-rule. The novel subtly reflects the challenges faced by mixed-race individuals in post-colonial India, caught between different cultural worlds and striving to carve out their own identities in a changing nation. To conclude, we can say that The Room on the Roof is a heartfelt, deeply personal novel that captures the essence of adolescence, rebellion, and the longing for identity. Ruskin Bone's simple yet evocative storytelling makes it a timeless coming-of-age classic. Rusty's journey is not just about escaping his guardian but about embracing life in all its beauty and unpredictability.